Okay, let's try to do example 5. Let's read the question. Okay, so a wire of 4 meter long and 6 millimeter in diameter has a resistance of 50 microohm. A potential difference of 23 volt is applied between the ends. Determine the current in the wire. Okay. So apa-apa pun I like to list down all the important things. Itu kita tahu length sama dengan 4 meter. And then diameter sama dengan 6 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3 meter. And then we have resistance 15 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3 ohm. And then V is equals to 23 V. Okay. And then this one is very easy. Dia nak I. So I think we could use this one. V equals to IR. So 23 I and then 15 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3. So you get your I to be 1.5 darab 10 kuasa 3 A. Okay. Okay, let's try to do B pula. So dia nak the resistivity of the wire material. So formula for resistivity is resistance times area bagi dengan length. Okay. Kita ada R, kita ada length, but we don't have the area. So remember the cross-sectional area of a wire is always pi R square. Okay. But this one dia kasih diameter. So diameter is radius is diameter bagi dengan 2 kan. So this one will be 6 darab 10 kuasa 3 bagi 2. So 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3 lah. So this one area would be pi R square, which is 3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3 square. So your area should be 2.83 darab 10 kuasa negatif 5 meter square. Okay. Dan masukkan saja this one. Okay. So this one is very simple. The length is 4. So you get your answer to be 1.06 darab 10 kuasa negatif 7. Remember, unit adalah ohm meter. Okay. Kita cuba buat pula example 6. Let's read the question. So a radius of a 22 gauge tungsten wire is radius is sekian sekian sekian, and then the resistivity is sekian sekian sekian. Okay, calculate the resistance per unit length of the wire. So remember, this is resistance per unit length. So daripada formula resistivity kan, R A over L. So dia nak R over L, maka dia akan jadi resistivity over area. Okay, so dia nak tu sebenarnya resistivity kita ada sudah 5.6 darab 10 kuasa negatif 8, but we don't have the area, so kenalah calculate kan. So dia kasih radius sama dengan 0.321 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3. So area would be 4 pi r square. This one would be 0.321 darab 10 kuasa negatif 3 square. So your area should be 3.24 darab 10 kuasa negatif 7. Okay. Lepas tu kita pun masuklah dalam ni kan. 3.24 darab 10 kuasa negatif 7. So you get your answer to be 0.173. Remember is unit is apa tu? Resistivity is ohm meter and the area is meter square kan. So potong ni dapatlah ohm per meter. So the unit is ohm m negative 1. Okay, so ni kena pandai derive lah. Okay, let's try to do B pula. If a potential difference of 1.5 volts is maintained across a tungsten wire of length 2 meter, what is the current in the wire? Okay, so I think we could find current. Satu je kan formula dia. V equals to IR. And then V kita ada 1.5. And then sekarang ni nak cari I pula kan. So I think we need to find the new value of R, which is rearrange this equation so you get L over A. Okay. So ni apa beza dengan tadi? Tadi tu dia tak kasi kita length kan. So ni now dia kasi kita length. So I think we can find the value of resistance 5.6 darab 10 kuasa negatif 8. Length is 2 over area is 3.24 darab 10 kuasa negatif 7. dapatlah resistance dia sebanyak 0.35 ohm. Okay, and then this one will be 0.35, and then your I would be 4.34A. Okay, oh sorry,